Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So last week was Anisha's birthday and I just want to show you what I did makeup wise on her birthday. And I also, while getting ready, I wanted to chat with you about something and that's been on my mind lately. And I've been thinking a lot about how we're all constantly bombarded with these crazy beauty standards like fillers, Botox, surgeries, and all that jazz. It seems like everywhere we look, there's this pressure to look a certain way. And honestly, it's making me wonder what happened to just being happy with ourselves. So let's have a heart-to-heart about this. Alright, let's dive in. I don't know about you, but it feels like every time I scroll through social media, I'm seeing all these perfect faces and bodies that look like they've been airbrushed. It's like, who even looks like that in real life? And now it seems like getting fillers and Botox is just a regular part of people's beauty routines. It's almost like these artificial standards are becoming the norm. But here's the thing. These standards are super unrealistic and always changing. So one minute it's all about having full lips and the next it's all about having super smooth forehead. So it's just exhausting trying to keep up with what's in right now. And honestly, who needs that kind of stress? I totally get that there's this huge pressure to look a certain way. I mean, when everyone around us is getting these procedures done, it's hard not to feel like we need to keep up. But here's a little reality check. These beauty standards are like a moving target. So what's popular now might be out of style tomorrow. So where does that leave us? Just constantly chasing after something that doesn't even stay the same? It's so easy to get caught up in this cycle of comparing ourselves to others and feeling like we're not enough. But let me tell you, real beauty isn't about fitting into some predefined mold. It's actually about embracing who you are, your flaws and all. Now let's talk about self-acceptance. I know it's easier said than done, right? But seriously, embracing yourself just as you are is so important. It's all about looking in the mirror and loving what you see rather than wishing you look like someone else. And aging gracefully, well, that's a big one, trust me. We're all going to get older and that's a natural part of life. We cannot avoid that, no matter what. Instead of fighting against it, why not embrace it? Each wrinkle and gray hair is like a chapter in your story. It's a sign of a life lived, experiences had, and wisdom gained. Let's not ignore how all this pressure affects our mental health. Constantly comparing ourselves to these unrealistic images can mess with our self-esteem and make us feel pretty crappy about ourselves. It's so important to take care of our mental health too. So surround yourself with positivity and remember that what really matters is who you are on the inside, okay? Instead of stressing over these beauty standards, focus on what makes you happy and what brings you joy. Your mental well-being is just as important as your physical appearance. So now how do we embrace our natural beauty and age gracefully? Here are some tips. So the first one is take care of yourself. Focus on self-care, good skincare, staying hydrated and eating well. It's not about changing how you look, but about feeling your best. Second is celebrate your uniqueness. Embrace what makes you you. Whether it's a quirky feature or something unique about your personality, just own it. Third is surround yourself with positivity. Follow people who promote self-love and authenticity and avoid those who make you feel like you need to change to be accepted. And the last one is practice gratitude. Appreciate your body for what it does for you every day. Gratitude can shift your focus from what you wish you could change to what you already have. Real beauty comes from within. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and loving who you are, imperfections and everything. That true beauty isn't about fitting into a standard. It's about being yourself and embracing every bit of who you are. So thanks for hanging out with me and having this chat. That's all for today. I hope you like this look, guys. Let me know in the comment section. And I hope this helped you feel a bit more confident and inspired. If you have any thoughts or want to share your own experiences, please drop a comment below. So I'm just trying to create these kind of contents more often. Let me know how you liked it. All the products will be listed in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. Love you.